In this tutorial, we'll be learning about syntax errors in Python programming. For those of you who are completely new to programming, don't worry. I'll explain everything in a simple and fun way. This is a simple Python code that prints hello, world, to the console. But what happens if we make a small mistake in our code? In this code, we forgot to close the string with a second quote. This is a very common mistake, and it will cause a syntax error. The error message tells us that Python reached the end of the line while it was still scanning the string literal. This means that Python was expecting another quote to close the string, but it didn't find one before the line ended. Now, let's see another example of a syntax error. In this code, we forgot to include the opening parenthesis after print. This again, will cause a syntax error. The message invalid syntax tells us that Python doesn't understand the code, because it doesn't follow the rules of the Python language. Keep in mind that syntax errors are usually the easiest to fix. They are like grammatical errors in a language. Once you know the rules, it's easy to correct them, and Python always tells you where it ran into a problem. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you now understand what a syntax error is in Python and how you can avoid them. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Happy coding!